is going to be the distance for the Western States Equipment Figure 8 trains. How many of you have never seen Figure 8 trains before? Well, I'll tell you what, for those of you who have, you know how much fun and what a show that these guys put on. The biggest thing is you want to watch the intersection. Because it's going to be hard for these guys to stop before they make collisions. So we are green with the Western States Equipment Figure 8 trains. Again, this will be the final race of tonight, and we want to thank you for coming out and spending your Saturday with us. So Club BJ's, that's another thing. These trains get very wobbly. Again, if you're not familiar with these Western States Equipment Figure 8 trains, the front car has the engine, driver, and just the accelerator. The middle car has nothing. It's completely gutted, while the rear car has the brakes and a brake man. Look at this. They're going to be 3 wide. I've actually seen them 3 even close to 5 wide before. And almost look like standing out, heading down the front straightaway of Pocono. Already we have some in the grass. And we have quite the battle up front between Shake, Rattle, and Roll and Tokyo to USA. USA to Tokyo. And then, of course, there is 6 feet under. That group works very well together. Here we go. We're about to go 3 wide. Coming off turn number 4. How about this? 3 wide. Here we go. This spells disaster. How they missed him, I have no idea. I have no clue how they missed him, but I'll tell you what, somebody better be counting their blessings. That was close. All right, so we've got 6 feet under now out front. They spent a lot of time out front last season. So they're essentially picking up where they left off, and rest in pieces rather slow as they get on the brakes. And look, I'm not the type that's going to say, oh, come on, you went, because I'm not behind the wheel. I probably would be doing the same thing. All right, so battle now to watch is Juan Crazy is coming up through the field. Here we go again. We want to watch the intersection because things are starting to really heat up, and we still have a majority of this race to go. So 6 feet under goes in a little bit of racing for 6 feet under. Grass definitely gets more. And he'll lead us 3 wide. Lost in all of this is the fact that Shake, Rattle, and Roll, that 6 feet under still leads. Halfway flats, 5 laps down, 5 laps remaining. Looks like they run so far, 6 feet under. Shake, Rattle, and Roll, trying to climb. He's running in second, Juan Crazy third. Jack Dog in fourth, and Fun Nuts rounding out the top 5. So that obviously, as you can see, some major issues for rest in pieces the 8th train. That'll leave a nice groove around the racetrack. And that really, because of the situation, that really forced 6 feet under to go into the grass. They really had no choice but to go into the grass. Again, we have a lot of this type of racing coming up this season with, of course, the Western States Equipment Figure 8 trains. All right, so here comes the Everest Collision Caution Flag. Now, this is not something you're going to see a whole lot with the Western States Equipment. All right, so that means the red flag is going to fly, but quite frankly, with Rest in Pieces sitting on the racing surface as he is, there's really no choice. So they have to go yellow, which is what they will do.